Hi guys, my name is Fateh and our today's topic is about wireless technology. Basically, wireless technology refers to the transfer of information or power between two or more points without the use of wire, cables or other physical media. The most common type of wireless technology include radio frequency RF signal, which is used in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and cellular network. Infrared IR signals used in remote controls and some short range communication devices. Microwave signals which is used in satellite communication and some wireless local area network plan. Wi-Fi, a popular plan technology used for internet access and device connectivity. Bluetooth, a personal area network PAN technology which is used for device to device communication. Cellular network, which is used for mobile and phone communication or data transfer. Satellite communication, which is used for global navigation, television, broadcasting and remote connectivity. Wi-Fi, a technology that uses light to transmit data through visible, ultraviolet or infrared light. Wireless technology has many applications including internet access and connectivity, mobile communication and data transfer, device to device communication, home automation and IoT, Internet of Things, industrial automation and control, medical devices and telemedicine, navigation and tracking system. The advantages of wireless technology include convenience and mobility, easy installation and setup, reduced cost and increased efficiency, increased accessibility and coverage. However, wireless technology has also some limitations and challenges such as security risk and vulnerabilities, interference and signal degradation, range and coverage limitation, power consumption and battery life. The benefit of wireless technology include convenience. Wireless devices are portable and can be used anywhere. Mobility. Wireless technology allows for movement while maintaining connectivity. Ease of installation. Wireless devices are often easy to set up and require less infrastructure. Cost effective. Wireless solution can reduce cost by eliminating the need for cable and wiring. Increased accessibility. Wireless technology can reach remote or hard to reach areas. Improved safety. Wireless sensors and devices can improve safety in hazardous environments. Enhanced collaboration. Wireless technology enables collaboration and communication from anywhere. Wireless technology is used in various industries including healthcare, wireless medical devices, telemedicine and patient monitoring, industrial, wireless sensors, automation and control system, transportation. Transportation includes wireless navigation, traffic management and vehicle to everything communication, smart homes, wireless homes, automation, security and entertainment system, education, wireless learning platform, digital classrooms and online resources, retail, wireless point of sales systems, inventory management and customer engagement, government, wireless public safety network, emergency response system and smart city infrastructure. And smart cities infrastructure. However, wireless technology also presents some challenges such as security risk, interference, range and coverage, power consumption, and regulatory compliance. Security risk. Wireless network and vulnerable to hacking and eavesdropping. Interference. Wireless signals can be disrupted by other physical or device barriers. Range and coverage. Range and coverage include wireless signals have limited range and coverage. Power consumption. Wireless devices require power management to conserve battery life. Regulatory compliance. Wireless devices must comply with regulatory standards and spectrum allocation. The advantages of wireless technology include convenience and mobility, ease and installation, reduced cost and increased efficiency, increased accessibility and coverage. Challenges and limitations, security risk and vulnerabilities, interference and signal degradation, range and coverage limitation. Thank you.